nothing like delivery day. '24 Honda Civic Type R. Hey, can we sign this paperwork before she gets back? I want that Civic Type R. Quick.
What are you doing?
I didn't do anything. This one, right? Right, honey?
No.
What?
No.
I'm not getting the Civic Type R?
No, hell no.
So no Type R for me.
Sorry, not this time. Maybe later.
Okay. But we got something better. Well, there's nothing like delivery day, especially when the car is not yours. It's Miss Gasdiesel garage. I at least put the bow on it for her. Let's go.
Why am I not letting you get the store?
I let you get the...
I already started it.
Oh! ACURAMDX with paddle shifters. If you're gonna have an SUV, you might as well have one that's sporty. Ain't that right? That's right. And wait, look. At least she's got the license plate. Man, this car is about as sexy as my wife is. Woo! Look at that. And hey, puppy. What you think of mommy's new car? You think it's cool? What you think? Huh?
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. to the
World's biggest weekend.
She drives so
Utopia
fast,
Overseas,
she
sailing
put my
for
dog to
Orlando.
sleep.
Book today and come see the Royal Caribbean. Ships registered Bahamas.
Poor guy. Changing.
face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?